Why on earth? Coffee. I'm gonna take that up. It's okay. That was a foul. Hey, coffee. Coffee. Oh. Coming it. It's okay. Coffee. What's wrong? What did I take? What did I take? Oh, he knows I took something. He knows I took something. Coffee. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó? What? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? What happened? What did I take? What did I take, Coffee? Oh. So, I know a lot of people think their dogs are the smartest people in the world. Animals, I mean. But honestly, I think my dogs think it. I've been waiting here for them, sketching out. And they just got coffee. Yeah. Rusty. Cute. They went for a walk for half an hour and they still came back. Rusty. Coffee already wants to go again. And there goes the other one. Oh, there they go. Oh, it's recording. Coffee. I'm gonna prove that dogs can be cats. Coffee. I'm gonna prove that dogs can be cats. Dogs can be cats. Oh my god, these poor animals. Coffee, Rusty, what's wrong, buddy? I want to prove that dogs, even though they're males, can be lovers. Rusty, bite. Rusty, bite the damn treat. Rusty. Coffee's mentioning on. My poor little child. Coffee's just eating it all while he's just standing there. Rusty, done. He's a smart dog. He actually follows orders. Might be sloppy, but he's loyal. Right, buddy. On the other hand, my super unnatural hybrid is a little pain in the butt. Aren't you? Aren't you, child? Yeah, that's why. No, Rusty! No, téngalo. Graba. Graba. Ay.
No pasa siempre. ¡Ay, qué bonito! ¿Te puedo mover? ¿Qué haces?
Rusty, coffee? Coffee, Rusty? Ay, mamores. Coffee. Coffee. Ay, chiquito. ¿Qué pasó? Coffee. cochino, Abraham.
¡Ya tú fuiste!
Ese es tu cochino. Café. Ay, mamá. Café. Ay, mi chiquito.
¿Qué pasó?
Bebé.
¿Qué se explotó? ¿Qué? ¡Esto! ¡Así!
Come on, kids. Let's go. Rusty. Rusty.